In this video, you will learn how to classify sentences by purpose. There are really a couple of different ways to classify sentences. One is by structure, which has to do with whether you have independent or dependent clauses in the sentence. And then the other main way is by purpose, which is what we're going to focus on here. There are four main purposes for a sentence. The first is declarative. Declarative is a sentence that just makes a basic statement. Declarative sentences end with periods. Most sentences are declarative. These are the ones that you're usually writing, that you're usually reading. You can come up with a million different examples. Here are two. I ate a smoothie for breakfast. English is my favorite subject. An imperative sentence is your command. When you're telling somebody what to do or you're asking somebody to do something. Most imperative sentences end with a period, although if the speaker is yelling or you want to convey that the speaker is yelling, you could end with an exclamation mark. The subject in an imperative sentence is the understood you. This basically means that the word you is not going to appear in the sentence itself, but we understand that you is the person who's supposed to be doing the actions in the sentence. So in the example, finish your homework before you play video games. Who's doing the finishing? You are. Please give that back to me. Who's doing the giving? Again, it's you. Interrogative sentences are the questions, and they are going to end with question marks. Sometimes, especially in American English anyway, we do ask questions that don't sound like questions, but this has more to do with tone than anything else. So when you encounter a question in your reading, certainly that's an interrogative sentence, and you just want to be aware of the fact that when you're asking a question in your writing, that you end the sentence with a question mark. Couple of straightforward examples. Would you like to go to the beach on Sunday? How do you solve this problem? And the fourth and final type is the exclamatory sentence, an exclamation. These show excitement and express really strong feelings. Exclamatory sentences will always end with exclamation marks. I can't believe we beat the undefeated team. Only 2 days left until vacation. When you're identifying exclamatory sentences, tone is important. Often people want to say that a sentence could be anything. It just depends on how you say it. And to some extent that's true, but we really want to focus on thinking about when we're reading and what kind of punctuation mark is there and how the writer is conveying tone through that punctuation mark. And we also want to think about in our own writing what kind of tone we are conveying by the punctuation mark that we use and the purpose of the sentence that we've created.